So why did you choose the Mini 4 Pro?
Yeah, actually, as I said you before, because I want to travel on a bike. I want some futures because, as I said you, I'm not a group traveler. I'm a solo traveler. I need to control my drone. I need to control my things. So I kept automatic on follow on me. So that's the only one, and lightweight and no permission, no tensions and other things to carry in a flight or somewhere. It was easy to handle it.
So did you like the demo given?
That's really good because I don't have any other questions to ask him. Once he mentioned very clearly, so I can keep on my mind and do it. If I practice 1, 2, 3 times, so I might be get good way. Nobody make this like do this or do that. They just give that and they leave it off as a customer and seller. But there you people care about the clients, you people care about everything. So that is really makes me like to suggest so many people who was like willing to buy the drones and something else.